Dr. O. Fibermaxxing. Eat more fiber and feel amazing. Hey there. Have you heard of the new trend Fibermaxxing? It's going viral on social media, and for good reason. What is Fibermaxxing? It means loading your meals with high-fiber foods like vegetables, fruits, legumes, seeds, and whole grains, without strict dieting. Why is fiber so powerful? Helps digestion and prevents constipation. Regulates blood sugar. Reduces cholesterol. Supports gut health and immunity. May lower the risk of some cancers. But here's the catch. If you suddenly increase fiber without preparation, you might feel bloated, gassy, or uncomfortable. So what's the smart way to do it? Start slow. Drink lots of water. Focus on whole, natural foods. Even small changes, like swapping white bread for whole grain, or adding chia seeds to your breakfast, can make a big difference. If you want to try Fibermaxxing the healthy way, stay tuned. In our next video, we'll show you a simple, delicious high-fiber meal plan to get started. Don't forget to like, subscribe Dr. O channel, and share this with someone who needs a gut-friendly upgrade. Thanks for watching Dr. O. Dr. O.